If Canva Magic Resize isn't working properly for multiple pages, like layouts breaking or pages not resizing, yeah, let's fix that step by step. First, make sure you have access to Magic Resize. It's a pro feature, so it won't fully work on free accounts. Next, confirm all pages are included. When resizing, make sure every page is selected before applying. Always use copy instead of replacing. This keeps your original design safe and avoids errors. Magic Resize isn't perfect. You'll need to adjust. Realign text, images, and spacing manually if needed. Locked items won't resize correctly. Unlock them before resizing. Complex designs can break during resize. Simpler layouts resize more accurately. Try resizing fewer pages at once. Large multi-page files can cause glitches. Quick fix, reload the page. This can fix temporary bugs. Still not working? Duplicate your project, then try Magic Resize again on the new file. So, select all pages, unlock elements, use copy resize, and adjust layouts after. That's how you fix Canva Magic Resize issues for multiple pages.